This is Gary Whitgriff, an international millet researcher, author of 2 books on millet, and I like to cook. Here's a simple Millet-Hamburger Hotdish recipe. We buy hamburger from our local beef producer who gets his meat processed locally. I used 1 package of hamburger and a half cup of millet. From our son-in-law's garden, I grabbed an onion, garlic, and a little hot pepper, then added fennel, Italian seasoning for spices, salt, and pepper. I start by lightly toasting the millet in butter. Chop and grill the onions, brown the hamburger. I like it a little chunky. The hamburger finishes browning, then add the other ingredients. Put on the cover and set fry pan temperature to a light boil. Our elevation is over 3,000 foot, so it takes about 2.5 hours for that half cup of millet to absorb the 3 cups of water, kind of like a slow cooker, very light boil. Keep the lid set to hold in the moisture. Every half hour or so you can stir it. Don't boil off that water too fast. Once the millet is tender, after about 2.5 hours on cover, turn up the heat and remove the moisture and get it to a hot dish consistency. This makes about 6 servings and reheats real well so you can enjoy the leftovers.
More on millet at relatingtoancients.com. Search the internet. Enter Whitgriff Millet.